Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you Scotty on his back.
Oh, wait. Back seat, window. Oops.
I was like, his legs aren't in the air. This is weird. Anyway, previous video, you guys saw me get the radio out. Scotty's over here getting the old speaker out.
And we realized if we take this piece out very gently.
Gingerly.
Yep. We have access to everything. Radio goes in 10 times better. Speaker comes out 10 times better. Well, we're going to grab the camera from the big guy.
Fat guy.
Okay, whatever. And now those of you that have ever done speakers know that on the older cars, they had that like or metalish nut that had a built-in washer.
Tin nut.
Yes, exactly. Well, on this one, it's there, but they put them on upside down.
Of course.
All of them.
Of course.
Who in their right mind does something like that?
Ooh, I know the answer.
Okay.
Stupid people.
Okay, so we're going to spend a few minutes on trying to get those off to put the absolutely wonderful new parts on. And we'll show you that now.
Ooh, do you want me to Vanna White the speaker?
Yes, we'll have you Vanna White the speaker. Come on, show me.
A new speaker! Actually, it's a dual.
Yep, which is absolutely wonderful.
Stereo for your listening pleasure.
Oh, of course. There's always pleasure, and with the way you're holding it, it looks like you have 4 tits. Ooh, yeah, baby!
So this is going to go in. Yes, we have the top seated back and up.
Yep.
Just for light and room and everything.
And absolutely, I love this company. They do such amazing work on products. Because you can get...
And look. It's modern on the back.
Yep. But on the front,
It
it looks like the original stock Wonder Bar stereo that came in the 58, 59, and 60s. Radios, which absolutely wonderful.
Beautiful.
So he'll have Bluetooth and, well, this is only a 2-channel. So
auxiliary, stereo, you name it, it'll have it. So a little putty in, a little wiry, and we'll be rocking out.
Yep, he'll have an amazing sound system in this. Absolutely.
Good job, Scotty.
It was only a small ladder, so it's not a worry. It didn't hit anything that...
All right.
Absolutely gorgeous Corvette.
Scotty and I, not so gorgeous.
Yes, we're falling apart as the day goes by.
Yes.
But then again, it is a Monday, so... But I will hand you back off to the big guy, and here we go.
Okay. Now, I spent some time under the dash. As we know, I found a leaky master. So I have the nuts all off on the master. I just got to undo the banjo bolt here. There it is. And then I'm going to swap out the master. They're not completely identical, but this will work. This actually I ordered from O'Reilly because nobody else had it in any amount of time where we could get any damn thing accomplished. So it's here. It's going on. We're going to rock it. We're going to do this. It's going to get done. Master brakes. You fucking leak. You're a piece of shit. You can leave. Your replacement is right here. Scotty, I can't sing anymore. Anywho, I'm going to stick in the new one, hook it up underneath, and then we'll bench bleed it in the car. Because I don't bench bleed it in the vise. I bench bleed it in the car. Because it's actually easier. Are you dying over there? Because that was hilariously not funny and terrible and good at the same time.
It was so bad, it was hysterical.
Excellent.
Help!
Oh, God. All right, so Scotty, what do you got going on with Radio Wiring Land?
It's actually, I mean, I love
Very
the
nice.
stereo. These guys do... Let's get that in there. Ooh, these guys do an amazing
Hey,
job.
Diagram. So before you stick that in, maybe you should leave that out and then unhook the connector and then wire up all our business.
Oh, yeah, no, exactly.
And then just go click, click, boom.
Anybody who's worked on a stereo I mean, anybody. If you've worked on a stereo on a regular basis, you know certain colors, no matter what you grab, they are always the same.
Do you
Whites are a color, gray is a color, blah, 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 blah. Why would you put white and gray, purple and blue, and white and gray as 4 separate channels? Why not white like it's been for years, gray like it's been for years, green, which now green is the light for the front of the stereo. I mean, don't get me wrong. This is amazing. The quality is...
And look, wait. Look how teeny that is compared to...
factory original.
Here's our factory original. Hold them together. Look, Ma. One thing is smaller than the other. You know what's funny?
One of these things just doesn't belong here.
You know what's funny? This is one of the few times smaller is better.
This is true. And, like I said, Wonderbar. And... Wonderbar. So it looks, for all intents and purposes...
And that has orange overspray on it, too. That's cute.
Alrighty. Yeah, baby.
Under the dash is full of overspray, too.
Oh, yeah. But, I mean, that looks amazing.
Yeah.
You can't... I love it.
Yeah, you ain't going to be able to tell.
So, but the only problem I have is, why would you change one of the most common aspects of putting a stereo into a car?
Scotty, they do what they want. I do what I want!
But, I mean, minus that, because that's just me being stupid picky, but, oh well, I can be stupid picky because it's me.
You're a picky bitch.
But out of that, this
Sexy.
is fucking amazing.
Yeah, that makes me feel really
I mean,
good.
that gives me the warm and fuzzy feelings.
Don't make a mess in the car.
Well, there's rags. I can clean it up. It's not a problem.
You,
But this truly is. I love it. I mean, I can't brag on them enough. And they are Antique Automobile Radio Inc. in Palm Harbor, Florida. Amazing. We got to give them credit for what they've done, because that looks absolutely wonderful. Seriously.
Yeah, I like it.
So we're gonna start disconnecting and wiring it.
All right, so I guess I would just, because the distance is so close, you could probably do your speaker directly to that without adding anything, honestly.
That's probably what I'm going to do.
That's gonna be beautiful.
I think it'll be a lot easier that way.
The less extra connections, the better.
Exactly. So.
All right.
All right, guys. We'll see you on the flip side.